So you have the Zinus Leah bamboo bed frame. In this video, I'm going to go over everything that you receive with your purchase, and then a quick walkthrough on how to set this up. So if I can answer any questions that you have, or at least just show you what the finished product is going to look like once it's fully assembled. But here's going to be everything that you get. There's really only 10 pieces to it. Everything is labeled super nicely for it, so it is very easy to set up. And for the first step is just getting that outer frame put together. And like I said, everything is nicely labeled. So all you have to do is match up the numbers and then put the bolts in with an Allen wrench. It really is that easy. So as long as you can match 3 to 3, 4 to 4, this can be a very simple process. And here's what it looks like when that outer frame is put together. At this point, I just have to put the headboard pieces in and then the middle support beams down. And one thing to do is just leave it a little loose at your headboard. That way you can get those slid in there a lot easier. So don't tighten the bolts all the way on the headboard. Just give it 1 second. Okay, now the middle support beams are in. The headboard is fully assembled. Just gotta get the slats on there, and this thing is fully finished. And now for the final step is just getting the slats installed, and this is the easiest part. You just lay them down there. They're going to have Velcro on them, so they're going to stick into place. I also love that they're going to have an anti-slip strip on the slats themselves, so once you do lay a mattress on it, it's not going to slide around on you. It's going to stay in place. And another added perk too is there is foam on these inner support beams, so once you combine that with the wood slats, this bed frame is going to be completely silent, which is a big plus. My last bed frame was squeaky and I hated it, so this one being silent is definitely a huge pro for me. But overall, the assembly process was very easy. I'm super happy with this bed frame. I give it 2 thumbs up.